Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 540 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the Buxom Serial Kisser Plumping Lip Stain. So this is a sample that I got from Ulta. It says Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid delivers Pout Plumping Color, Lasting Glossy Finish. Ooh, and it comes in 8 really pretty shades. I love when products contain hyaluronic acid because it's very moisturizing and then it just kind of improves the skin. Like it leaves that hydration and plumpness even after the product is gone. And my dry lips need that. Look at this cute little sample. Okay, let's see, what color did I get? I got Pucker Up Dolly, which is this shade here. Very pretty. Oh my gosh, I love all of these shades. I want every single one. I would be happy with all of those. And so at Ulta, this retails for $22, which that's a little bit pricey in my opinion. So I'm glad I get to try out a little sample of it first. So it has a little doe foot applicator. This is like the cutest little mini version of it, but I did read online that the full-size version also has a doe foot applicator. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. I would kind of describe this as like a cherry scent, cherry vanilla. That smells really good. Okay, well, let's see how it looks on my lips. I got so excited to apply it that I didn't even swatch it on my hand first like I normally do, but that's okay. Just doing a lip swatch. But it's applying like a lip gloss. I didn't really expect that. Oh yeah, the color is buildable also. So at first it's just kind of like a touch, like just like a tint, but as I'm going over it with more product, that color is deepening up. Wow, this really is a unique formula where it's like a lip gloss texture with just like a tint of color type of pigment, but then it's buildable, and it also is kind of drying down a little bit. Like typical lip stains that I've tried in the past more go on almost like a marker. It feels like just drying on my lips and it's dried down, but I really like that this is a hydrating glossy lip stain, and I can feel a little bit of that kind of numb plumping feeling, but nothing that's like uncomfortable. But it does seem to be very hydrating, and I really like this color. I like that it's buildable, or you could just add a slight tint of color depending on what look you were going for. Now what I'm really curious about is the transfer, so let's see how that is. Like that is very minimal for this deep shade. Let's see, even less. So yeah, if you just blot at this, so then after that, after blotting at it, you're just left with that stain, which is going to be very long lasting. A lot of times when I wear lip stains, I feel like I want to wear lip gloss on top of them, but with this product, it's like 2-in-1. You don't even have to add that extra moisture and shine on top of it. So let me know in the comments down below if you've tried this product before and what your thoughts are on it. I would really like to try this in one of those lighter shades because I feel like this is pretty dark on me. So let me know what your favorite shades are of this as well. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.